What is up, everybody? So yesterday, December 20th, 2021, the lawyers in the Ghislaine Maxwell trial issued their closing arguments, and now the jury has begun to deliberate. The story is from BBC.com and is linked in the description below. It states that after the closing arguments ended yesterday on Monday, that the jury deliberated for about an hour and will return this morning, Tuesday morning, December the 21st, 2021. The judge also issued these instructions to the jury. He stated that the jurors would be instructed they may choose to convict Miss Maxwell if they conclude she either ignored or consciously avoided knowledge of Epstein's underage encounters. The defense attorneys, however, maintain that she is a government scapegoat for the crimes. Her lawyers also stated that the judge used this move as a backup option in case the jury does not find Miss Maxwell was an active participant, stating pretty much that they think that everybody wants to find her guilty even if the prosecution has not proven it in a court of law. I sure hope there's no judge or jury on this planet that is going to let her walk away from these crimes. I hope and I think you will see a quick guilty verdict. I saw somewhere that the judge stated that they have a couple of days to deliberate this week. I cannot find this quote, however, but I did read it, that they have a couple of days to deliberate this week. And if they don't come up with a verdict this week, that they will go home over the holidays and then come back next week and continue deliberations. Now, I don't think this jury is going to want to come back after the holidays. I do think you will see a quick guilty verdict sometime today or tomorrow. That's just my opinion. Maybe they're going to go over the case in more detail, but I don't think that's necessary. This woman is clearly guilty of everything and deserves every second of the 80 years in prison that she faces, which essentially, with her being at the age of 59, is a life sentence in prison. And I honestly don't think that that's even harsh enough. I said in my last video that I hope she gets put into a hole and doesn't get one of these cushy prisons with all the perks. I think she needs to get put into the deepest, darkest hole of whatever prison that is in the United States and is never heard from again. What she did to these girls and these women is absolutely unspeakable, and she deserves to be punished for every second for the harm that she helped cause these women. The prosecutors stated Ghislaine Maxwell was dangerous. She was a grown woman who preyed on vulnerable kids. It's time to hold her accountable. It happened again and again and again. The defense is quoted as stating, "They are not here to defend Jeffrey Epstein. He's not my client. Miss Maxwell is being tried here for being with Jeffrey Epstein. Maybe it was the biggest mistake of her life, but that is not a crime. Knowing about it and not doing anything about it should definitely be a crime." I fully believe that she knew everything and was a willing participant in all of it. I believe that that has been proven time and time again, but let's just say she didn't participate. There's no way that she didn't know that this was going on, and if she did nothing to stop it, that is just as horrible as a crime. So that's the update right now on Tuesday morning, December 21st, 2021. So if any more news comes out, hopefully there's a guilty verdict today. I'll be sure to make a video about it as soon as it happens. Hope you're all having a great day, and I'll see you again soon.